Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at debt issuance costs that are associated with issuing the bonds. GAAP requires us to amortize these costs, include whether using straight line method or effective method, and recognize expense with that amortization. Okay, so this cost will reduce the amount of money that we receive from the bonds issuance. So let's say January 1st, Graham Company issues 10% semi-annual 10-year bonds with a face value of 500,000 at par. So that means the coupon rate and the market rate are the same. So the bonds are issued at par. The company would receive cash 500,000 and then recognize bonds payable 500,000. Okay, but then there are some costs associated with this, connected to the issue of the bonds totaled $18,000. We call it deferred debt issuance costs, and we pay cash $18,000. So you see, we receive $500,000 here, but because we have to pay $18,000, the amount of money, the net amount of money that we receive is actually less than the par value. Okay, and the face value is 500,000. The stated interest is 12%. 10%. So the semi-annual one is 5%. So the interest payment is going to be $25,000. Now the issuance cost is $18,000 and the number of period is 20 periods because of 10 years semi-annual. So every 6 months we will amortize $900 of the debt issuance costs. Okay, so on June 30th, we have to recognize interest expense, and we pay cash, which is what we promise with the coupon rate, $25,000. And at that same time, we have to recognize interest expense due to the amortization of the deferred debt issuance cost. So we amortize it $900 every 6 months. We already calculated that, and that will increase our interest expense. So we will report these two interest expense combined of $25,900. Okay, so if we are going to use table, let's use straight line here. Okay, and the carrying value is $500,000 because it was issued at par. And then there is a deferred cost that we have to amortize, $18,000. Okay, so the straight line interest expense is the $25,000. We calculate it here. There is no bonds or par, so that's also the interest payment. We can just copy that for the 10 years, 20 period. Okay, and then the carrying value, because this is at par, is 500,000. Okay, and the amortization is $900 every 6 months. And using straight line, it doesn't change. Okay, so it will go down to zero with every amortization. So you see it's going down to zero, $900 every time. So the total interest expense is going to be the 25,000 from the coupon and the $900 for the amortizations of debt issuance costs. Okay, so you see that the interest expense every year is going to be $25,900. So that's the treatment for this debt issuance cost. We have to amortize it, and then every period we have to recognize interest expense for that amortization. Thank you for watching.